You're watching Monty TV. I'm Jackie Karsh, sitting down now with Umesh Sachdev, the co-founder and chief executive officer of conversational AI technology company Unifor. Thank you so much for sitting down with us.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Can you explain what Unifor does?
So Unifor takes artificial intelligence and automation to fundamentally disrupt customer service in call centers. You know, all of us have had bad experiences in talking to contact centers for every industry. And those technologies, the technology stack in a contact center was done 25 years ago. Now with AI and automation, there's an opportunity to fundamentally rethink. And that doesn't have to mean that it's bots versus humans. It basically could mean that it's bots and humans delivering an exceptional customer experience.
How do you make sure that customers don't experience that frustration with the AI?
Fundamentally, it's going to be about high frequency and low complexity transactions that go to the bot. When is my next repayment due? When's the next flight to Boston? These are not things that anyway should land to a customer service representative, because those people have been trained and they're passionate about solving complex problems. So things like these are best done now with bots. But if you do have, and even in the future, by the way, next 3 to 5 years out, if you do have a complex problem to solve, for example, you lose your, God forbid, your debit or ATM card, you, as human beings, you want to hear a human voice with the empathy and emotion. But what is today possible is when you call in and tell the rep, you know what, I lost my debit card, I need you to block it. What you won't get anymore is, oh, let me put you on hold when I pull out your account and so that I can block it. What will happen is, I lost my debit card, I needed to block it, and the rep saying, absolutely, it's been blocked already. To make this possible is that the rep and AI work in tandem. So you still can talk to the human rep who are very passionate about solving a problem. You hear the emotion, hear the empathy, but the action is being taken by AI in the background. And you now took the customer service representative and turn them into a super agent. And they can do a lot more in shorter period of time, deliver a great experience to you, solve a problem, and yet do it at a fraction of the time that used to be taken, and therefore at a lower cost.
How does the AI, interpret all levels of voice? I mean, you have accents and different languages, and you have people who are soft-spoken, loud-spoken. There's such a variation there.
There's the element of emotion. There's the element of voice energy and what you derive with it. There's intonation and pauses. There's sarcasm, that you could say something but mean quite the other. And then there's language and dialects and accents and all those problems. My company today has technology in over 100 global languages and thousands of dialects. But there's a lot more to be done as far as the world languages is concerned, emotional intelligence is concerned. Fundamentally, the process of this AI is really training the computer as a human baby would learn a new language, where you're training the computer with artificial intelligence, machine learning, and really saying, when you hear these words in this sequence, in this type of an emotion, it usually means this. So you're using a lot of data and you're training the computer language by language, accent by accent, emotion by emotion. It won't reach human levels of cognition in our lifetime, but it could take researchers like me all my life to get there.